So this is about our today's tutorial where we learned about creating subflows using process flow, asking operator to transfer part from one area to another area by multiple parts loaded together, multiple parts unloading together, and using arrays also to make that work.
Are you looking for simulation support and simulation training? Visit Leansimcorp.com, and here you will be getting different support related to Flexsim simulation and related to Flexsim training. Do not forget to be a member of Leansimcorp and get exciting member benefits starting from FlexsimTutorials to different modules and much more. So visit now Leansimcorp.com and be a member.
Now, once we have added all these things, we also need to edit the systems into the assigned labels of unloading subflow here. Now, here what we're going to do is we need to specify the destination, right? If you could remember where we have to unload is a very important thing. We have to tell that. So, but here when you come in, I need to directly put the destination as Q2 because that is what is required. In the unload, what you're going to do is operator, I'll just put it. Item will be my item, right? My item. And the destination is the destination. Okay. Now let me just reset this. Okay. And saving this, and then I will run this and let us see whether the system works as per our requirement. But before system runs, now let us understand what has to be done by this model. Okay, so we have to create at the start of the system we were supposed to create a model which will help this operator transfer the part from the main queue to this Q2, and then it will automatically get processed here by conventional method. But the problem here was that if I have to transfer 4 to 5 parts at the same time, this operator cannot do that by the conventional method. So that's where we have used a process flow. But in process flow also, if you have to load multiple items together, you have to list a lot of running items down the system, or you cannot also do that. But by using a run subflow or by using subflow in the process flow, it makes very helpful for us to create a simulation model where you can ask the operator to pick up the parts all together and unload the parts all together onto the system. And if you want to make such logic in your simulation model where you want to ask the operator to pick all the parts of same category and unload that parts to other area with certain quantity, use this process flow. It will help you do that in a shortest time, clean and effective. Okay.
If you're looking for Flexsim simulation support or looking for training courses related to simulation, or if you're looking for digital twin solutions, or you're looking for engineering automation, you're on a right page. Visit Leansimcorp.com and be a member now to get access and support in all these domains.
So this is what the model we are supposed to create today, and we have created that. And now let us see by running the model how the simulation model works. Okay, so our model is ready of subflow, and we have learned how to use arrays and fetch values from the arrays in the simulation environment. So I'm just running the model now. Okay. So operator is waiting for the task. In the 5th minute, we are going to get part front of the queue. Let us see how that goes. Yeah. And here comes our first part, which has been pushed to the list. Okay. Now the problem we have here is that, we did not have connected this system, and we haven't connected the system back. So I'll just reset this now. Okay. This has to be connected down here. This has to be connected to the travel. Okay, and then this has to be connected back again to the travel. Okay, so that this loop keeps on running back and back. Now I just reset this and run. Let us see whether we get any errors. If we get an error, it's a good news because we're going to learn something more about it. If not, then great stuff. So if you see, the simulation model is running fantastically great. It has delivered 2 items onto the area out there. Let us do this main source queue timing somewhat faster because it's very slow. Every 1 minute we'll get a part. Let us see. So when we get 2 parts, it can pick up minimum number, maximum number 5. So let us rename, change this to 0.1. So we have a lot of part flows now. Okay. 2 parts it's taking because 2 is a minimum number, right? And you can see that our process flow is perfectly working. Run subflow is perfectly working. It is carrying the parts together and it's unloading the part together onto the system there. And that is the best thing. So this is about our today's tutorial where we learned about creating subflows using process flow, asking operator to transfer part from one area to another area by, multiple parts loaded together, multiple parts unloading together, and using arrays also to make that work. So let me know how was this tutorial for you. Have that helped you? And let us meet in the next tutorial on Flexsim on Leansimcorp. So till then, if you haven't liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps us and motivates us to bring these videos to you. If you are new to our channel, become a member now of Leansimcorp.com by visiting our website. So see you soon in the next tutorial where we will be understanding how to add conditional tasks in the process flow. So till then, keep watching, keep simulating.